Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner or just someone looking to make sense of your finances, today's video is going to be a game changer. I'm going to show you exactly how to find and run reports in Zoho Books step by step so you can get the insights you need. Fast and hassle-free. Stick around because by the end of this guide, you'll be running reports like a pro. First, let's access the reporting section. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account using your credentials, or even your Google login if that's easier. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Reports. That's your gateway to all the reporting tools Zoho Books offers. Click it, and you're in the reporting center. Inside the reporting section, you'll find a range of pre-built reports for everything from finances to sales, purchases, and more. These are perfect if you want quick insights without much setup. But what if you need something more tailored? That's where custom reports come in. Click on Create Custom Report, and you'll enter a new interface that lets you select parameters, data fields, and filters. Think of this as your control center. You can tweak the variables until the report shows exactly what you need. Before finalizing, always use the preview option. This helps you ensure your data is accurate and your report looks just right. Once you're happy with it, click Save and Run, and your custom report is ready to go. And if you need to share it or analyze it elsewhere, don't forget, you can export reports for external use. With these steps, you'll not only find your reports quickly, but also generate insights that help your business grow. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.